Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Redmi 13. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's remove the cover and let's have a look here on the Redmi 13. And this is how it looks like here. I'm having the black version and it's a shiny black here. And even the frames are completely in black. And this is how it looks like here. So here we are having the SIM tray, we're having here the audio jack and IR sensor. And we're having here on the other side the speaker, the USB port and the microphone. The SIM tray allows you to insert next to the main SIM card, optional a second SIM card or a micro SD card in case if you want to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's have a look what else is included in the box. And it's pretty complicated to open the box here. You have to remove it completely first and then you can unfold it here. Okay. What is else included? We are having a case, what is pretty nice. The case is flexible. Huh? We are having some instructions and we are having a USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-A on the other side. So you can use your old charging adapter. It's pretty important. But we don't have a power charging adapter anymore extra here in the box. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.